How to delete Google account permanently on your PC or laptop. So if you want to delete a Google account permanently, then first you need to open up a browser, or you can simply open up your Google, and you need to sign in to your account. Once you've signed in or once you've logged in, go for your profile, which is on the upper right, and here click on manage your Google account. And once you're here, go for data and privacy, which is here on the left. And then here, if you scroll down, you can scroll all the way down, and here you will have more options, and under that you will have delete your Google account. So click on that, and here to delete your Google account you need to enter your password, or you can also enter your passkey of your laptop. And once you've entered that, it says that please read this carefully, it's not the usual blah blah. So you need to simply read that information correctly. If you delete your Google account, then all of the content like this, all of the contents or all of the information on your Google will be deleted. So if you really want to delete your account, then you can click on these boxes, which will be on the bottom, and then click on delete account. And once you click on delete account, your account will be permanently deleted. So choose your option wisely, and then you can simply click on delete. And once you click on delete, it will be deleted, and that's how you can delete your Google account on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.